Giving me this opportunity. And Mr. Speaker, very respectfully, because I don't want to interfere with my senior, he came to Parliament before me, and I've been fairly patient. And as a human rights defender of women, I'm just wondering where land and women come from. The things he's talking about are very important, but we're talking about sexual harassment of women in Kericho Tea Estate. Whenever we have issues relating to women, we start identifying with the land, cars, chairs, mountains, and elephants. Mr. Speaker, where is the relevance of women being sexually harassed and land? As much that is important, can the honorable member bring a different motion on land ownership, and we'll support him. But right now, our concern is the issue of women harassment in Kericho Tea Estates. Stick to the rules of relevance, please. Thank you.
The rules of relevance are there, Madam.
Honorable Farah.
I'll just finish because you took my time. Let me just conclude.
Honorable
The
Farah,
rules of the relevance is that these people are working in land. They're being victimized because they're working on land and on farms, tea farms. So the synergy between, and they deserve to own that land themselves instead of becoming there something which is an indentured slave, what do you call slaves and labor. So that is where the synergy is there. That is where the synthesis is there. These people need to take charge of that land themselves instead of becoming workers with the land that was fought for and died for by their ancestors. Thank you.
Very well. The Honorable Francis Sigay, Honorable Member for Sotik.